Hey guys, it's Liam from Transit Liambro TV and welcome back to another transitliambrotv.com review just for you and just for you. I'm back with my Riley bro. Yeah, ooh. How's it going? You got a taste of rice. Oh. I'll sit You should be put it in position. There we go. Let's have a try. Here we go.
Ask the students in there. Alright, how are you doing? Eating quickly? Because it's 5-2. Because it's 5-2. Hurry up. Chop chop.
Bro, these steak. There's a steak. The steak is shit. Tastes like proper asshole on the steak. No! I'm having them back, guys. Look at that chicken background. Bro, it tastes like proper mud. It's very shit for $20 a kilo. Get James in it. Oh, James, you're not good enough, mate. I'll do James next time. It's probably dirty than me, bro. I could kill the cow for free.
Ask someone. Well, you start eating or whatever, start cleaning and then I'll go.
I think the pepper just made it that much better. Even though the steak tastes like fucking dick. Yeah. Like, you know what dick tastes like, don't you? Oh, James. Want to taste my dick? No. Joking, Chloe. Turn the feud. Bro, you wouldn't fucking taste mine, eh? Nah. Hold up, let's show the audience Liam's girlfriend. Oi! That's sorry, all the lips are gone. No. Oi!
The one in the background will watch the film.
Bro, she's alright though, wait.
I usually eat all my lunch. Yes. What do you use? Too bad.
I just say I watch everything else. Yeah. So.
The mushroom probably disappeared.
10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, brah.
I reckon 11 out of 10.
Oh. Of course it's an 11 out of 10, I made it. Do you breathe, Liam, when you eat? Mm-hmm. Just inhale that. Hi. Yeah.
Are you doing a review?
Corey, doing another review. Come on, come on.
Pull up transitbro.transit if you like. TV. I'm
you know what I'm going to do with this?
Alright. Well.
No photos, please.
He's been, no, Mrs.
Nah,
one of his,
I got a food, it's a food review, miss, you know that.
Food review.
yeah, he does it every lesson.
No, I guess so.
Yeah. Sorry.
For nothing.
Yeah. When you go to wash up, divvy it up.
Nah, I'm just red hot, mate. So, that's it. Peace out.
On the bell go.